guys, welcome to me by myself. The gaming triplex. Yeah, okay, welcome to the gaming triplex. I'm in a room and it's blah blah blah. Okay, now we're playing Ratchet and Clank. New game. Oh, normal. Okay, now we're playing gaming triplex. Yeah. Why did time? Okay, now we can record PC games and later. I don't care anymore. Okay, story. I don't care about story. Just watch it yourself on the internet, okay? It's just really fun game. The stories are really bad. Yay! Okay. Oh yeah. Spin. I already know the story, so crap. Yeah. Crap on me.
Let's see if these new Versa bulbs work.
Yes, I know how they work.
Look up.
Okay.
You see something flashing?
Yeah, I do.
Left side looks good.
No, it doesn't.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner
Nope.
lights.
No, I don't want to.
Light checks
Okay,
out.
whatever.
This thing might just be space worthy after all.
Okay.
One more to the
Lower right afterburner works.
In your face.
So, are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds.
I played Ratchet and Clank when I was a kid, so this is my favorite.
So Ratchet began his adventure, hoping to become a galactic ranger.
Yeah, he did. That's good.
Ratchet bashed his enemies using his trusty Omni Wrench.
I sure did. Other friends are coming in.
Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition
of jumping. Jumping is amazing, I know.
Ratchet knew he faced mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he didn't. Nanotech to ease
Ew, frogs. Okay. I love this, man. I was playing Ratchet Clank when I was 7. I'm not gonna tell you how old I am because I don't want to.
Lombax displayed a flagrant disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. The hubris.
What's a hubris?
Just save enough bolts so we can buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Hey, who's telling the story here?
I don't know who is telling the story. I bet you guys find out on YouTube who's telling the story here. I don't care if the Ranger. Yeah, I know the story. Oh, thanks, man.
Verlux here.
Yeah.
Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles.
Done.
A good ranger is always mindful of their surroundings.
Oh, come on,
Hop
man.
across these moving platforms.
Come on, let me go.
Good job. You could be the recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next part of the course.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey there, recruits. I'm Brax Lectress, and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates. Hey, that was pretty good.
Thanks.
Keep moving. It's time to get our hands on some
Alright.
firepower.
Wow, firepower. Oh, yeah, thanks, man. Oh, yeah, confirmed. Wow, okay. Oh, thanks.
Awesome.
Yay.
Next step, blow stuff up.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Alright. I guess now mode. This commentary sounds boring, so I don't care though. I like watching Clank so much, I'm not gonna even say anything. Alright. Okay. Okay. As you know, FIFA 17 is up, and we're gonna record that later, or it's gonna go up first. I don't know which one's gonna go up first. So yeah, FIFA 17 is amazing. I really like it. Andrew likes it, not me. I really like it. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry, everyone. Oh no.
Totally cool.
They are? What are you people?
Please do not run up and insist on shaking hands.
Good job, recruit. You may just be the next galactic ranger.
Oh, thank you.
Head to the final challenge.
I just showed you guys.
You can do this.
Yes, you can, Ratchet.
Time for the final challenge.
Alright, thank you. And Drew just came in and gave me a thumbs up. Oh yeah, I love. Oh, thank you, gummy.
Another one.
Looks like some angry toads.
Sure.
Impressive. Could we be looking at Solana's next galactic ranger?
What is Solana? All these things I don't know. I said I was Ratchet and Clank fan when I was little, but I didn't know crap, so I just knew how to play, how to finish, and that's what I was. Okay.
Huh. That wasn't so bad.
It wasn't so bad. Now we're gonna cut because I'm back. And you came back too. Alright. Oh, look at this new thing. Wow, look at this.
Just run to the vent.
I just made it to this part, so I'm just gonna stop recording. I don't care. I don't care about you people.
And seriously, guys, before it stop recording and record again.
I'm just gonna get these nuts. Nuts! Okay. Goodbye.
And see you next time.